Once you've organized a document into the right folder, or at any time you want to share it, you can share a document from within Google Drive. So if I right click on this one here, I've got an option here to share, and I can choose how to do that. I can share the entire document or just share the link. I want to share the document, so click on share, and this loads up, and I can choose and once I've selected the person, I can make them a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. That's entirely up to you. Viewer means the document can only be looked at by the other person. Commenter means that the person can actually make some comments in the side of the document, and editor means they got full control over the document. So you can decide what you want. I want to make this person a viewer. You can write them a message, and when you've done that, you can just click send. And that's how you share documents from within inside Google Drive. You can see here now that this document, this icon here, says that my document has been shared.